Hello everyone, my name is ILMA HUSSAIN and my roll number is 225040 and my topic for maths project is a sphere. So we will begin by the definition of sphere. As we can see here, a sphere is the locus of a point in the space whose distance from a fixed point is constant. So we can understood this by an diagram here. For example, let us consider this as a sphere and we are supposed to take it the center as C with coordinates alpha, beta, gamma, and we have to take a fixed point P at some distance. So by definition we have that the distance between C and P is constant and that distance is known as the radius of the sphere. So we can also see here the fixed point is called center. The C, the fixed point we have taken, is called the center, and the constant distance is the radius of the sphere. The constant distance, that is the distance CP, is the radius of the sphere. Here it is a small a. Now we will move on to equation of sphere. Let C be the center, alpha, beta and gamma of the sphere, and P be a point x, y, z on the surface of the sphere. By definition above, CP is equals to a, that is the radius. Now by definition or the distance rule, simple distance rule, it becomes under root x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square is equals to a, that is the distance. Or we can remove this root square and transfer it to the other side and it becomes a square. So now the equation becomes x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square is equals to a square. This is the required equation of a sphere. Now we will see the general equation of the sphere from the equation of the sphere we have taken out just now. The equation of sphere x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square is equals to a square. This is the equation of the sphere that we have just taken out. If we take a square to the left hand side, it's become minus a square, and if we simplify, means if we open the equation the squares on all these terms, it becomes x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 beta y minus 2 gamma z plus alpha square plus beta square plus gamma to the power 4 minus a square is equals to 0, which is the form of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equals to 0. We will mark this equation as equation 1, and this is the general equation of the sphere. Now we observe that the equation 1 has following characteristics. This equation 1 has the following characteristics: that first, it is an equation of second degree in x, y, z. The degree of this equation is 2, as we can see here. The second, the coefficient of x, y, z are equal. Third, it has no product term x, y, yz or zx. In this equation, we do not have any product in terms of x, y and z. Now, there are some other forms of equation of sphere. Now, we'll see that. First is equation of sphere on the join of 2 points as diameter. So, we'll consider a diameter here. Let us see. Let A be the point, A and B 2 points on the sphere. Let A be x1, y1, z1 and B be x2, y2 and z2 be nth point of diameter AB of a sphere. These are the end points of a diameter of a sphere, and let P be a point x, y, z on the sphere. By the formula of direction ratios, the direction ratios of AP are x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1, and those of BP are x minus x2, y minus y2 and z minus z2. Since diameter of a sphere subtends a right angle at any point of the sphere, hence AP and BP are perpendicular at P. Therefore, by formula, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equals to 0. This is also an equation of sphere and it satisfies on all the points on a sphere. Now another form of equation of sphere is sphere through 4 given points that are non-coplanar. So let us suppose 4 points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3 and x4 y4 z4. Let the sphere pass through given points. As we have taken out the equation of sphere, we will let these points individually pass through this given equation. Means we will substitute the value x1 y1 z1 and all these values in this equation, and it becomes x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux1 plus 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d is equals to 0. Similarly, we will put x2 y2 z2 and it comes out to be this, and if we put x3 y3 z3 it comes out to be this, equation 3, and if we put x4 y4 z4 it comes out to be this. We will name this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will eliminate u, v and w and d from the equations above that we have just mentioned, and on solving we have the determinant like this. If we solve this determinant and equate it to 0, we will find the value, and as this determinant is very big and very hectic to find, it is advised to put the values of x1 y1 and z1 in equation 1 and find the values here in all the 4 equations 1, 2, 3 by putting the respective values, and then put the value in this equation, that is the equation of sphere, and we will get our required equation. Now we will see a question. The question is as find the equation of a sphere passing through origin and the points 0, 1, -1, -1, 2, 0 and 1, 2, 3. If we see, we have given there the sphere is passing through the origin, that means 1 points come out to be 0, 0, 0, that is the origin. Now let us see the solution. Let the required equation be, that is the equation of the sphere. Now as it passes through all these 4 points, we will put these values in this equation and compare. Then d comes out to be d equals to 0. Equation are 2v minus 2w plus d minus 2 is equals to 0. 2u minus 4v minus d minus 5 equals to 0. 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus d plus 14 is equals to 0. On solving all these 3 equations with the help of each other, we will get u equals to minus 15 by 14, v equals to minus 25 by 14, w equals to minus 11 by 14, and d, as we can see here, is equals to 0. Now we will put all these values in this equation, equation number 1, that is the required equation, and it comes out to be 7x square plus y square plus z square minus 15x minus 25y minus 11z is equals to 0. This completes the solution of the given question. Thank you.